Going on YouTube. So today I'm gonna do fire alarm test 1.5. Still have the 49 392.19 as you guys seen before. Only difference I made is that last time when I mounted it, I wasn't thinking about the mechanism itself, and that actually sticks out further than the cover itself. So I didn't feel like taking it down and fixing it, so part of the mechanism was sandwiched between the cover and the piece of wood, which made it sound kind of raspy. So I kind of want to test it again, test it a little bit longer, and hopefully that'll fix the problem. I do have a board over here for the new notification appliance for fire alarm test 2. That'll be coming out mid to end this week. Stay tuned for that. So let's begin. Alright, that was a little weird. I don't know why it did that. Maybe... screws are a bit loose. Maybe that has something to do with it. No idea. I don't know why it did that. Maybe that's the reason why I have it, because maybe it was pulled out of a working system as a bad horn. Maybe the reason why it sounded like that. Let's try it again. That seemed to fix it. Sounds really nice, actually. When I first got it, I was testing it. It sounded kind of raspy. But, you know, now that I have it properly mounted, it sounds pretty good. And it'll sound really well with the new notification appliance that'll be coming for fire alarm test 2 and for fire alarm test 3. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you guys.